Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel once again. You might be wondering, is it really that cool that you need the scarf? The answer to that is no, not really. However, if I don't have it on, this looks just like a white plate. Today we will be actually using one palette only because, sometimes you just gotta make it a little bit more simple. I appreciate that not everyone will want to use multiple palettes when they're getting ready, which I completely get, like, I get it. We will be playing with the BH Cosmetics Special Occasions palette. The palette, if you have never seen it before, it does have quite an okay sized mirror there. It's dirty, I'm sorry, or whatever. But this is the kind of a colors that you get. 39 color eyeshadows, and it's a blush palette. I mean, I'm assuming that this 9 would be considered blushes, even though this is more like a matte highlight and this to look more like a bronzer to me. Anyway, so yeah, this is what we got. Now, this was one of the first palettes I have bought, originally, and I must say that looking at the colors now, I can see a lot of them are rather quite muted colors. None of them are really very bright, but it's been a while since I used this palette, so I definitely do want to put it to the test. I mean, to be fair, if you get much closer than this, you might as well see all of my pores on my face. Also, if you see a shadow here, that's because of how my mirror is set up right in front of me. Right, so to start off, as always, we will start with the eyeshadow primer, Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Okay, so I will quickly apply the primer and I will be back and then we can continue. Now we're ready to actually start with the video. Okay, so it looks like this color is going to be the closest to what I usually use to put, under the eyebrow area into the crease. I think I'm gonna go into bluish green direction, like kind of like a serpent kind of a vibe. So that's what the plan is for now. We'll see how that goes. This green here. Pretty much where you should be after you laid it down. That's so stupid. Anyway, yeah, so put it in the crease and just a little bit over. This will be blended and pretty much most of it will probably disappear. I think I will be taking, let's see, but yeah, this color here, it has quite an interesting shift. I really hope that you'll be able to see it on the eyes. So I'm just gonna put it on the outer corner and see whether we can see that shift. I'm not quite satisfied with that because I don't feel like you're able to see the brown shift in this color at all, which is a little bit annoying. So what I will do is also look at the kick up in this color. To help with this shift coming out a little bit more, I'm gonna take the other side of the same brush and I'm gonna go in with this color here, and I'm gonna tap it very lightly over this color. Try to not worry about the fallout and the fact that we haven't blended yet, we'll get to it. And we'll go a little bit over here because it came out a little too far, so I wanna blend it out with the green. I will admit that the green might have gotten a little bit out of hand. I know, I just really got into blending and then I couldn't stop and it's very green now. But I mean, we'll fix it. If you can restrain yourself, I would suggest that. However, I will go with a fluffy cream brush, cream that's clean, and I will make sure that I blend all the edges. Right, so when you blend it out, it should look something like that, hopefully with less fallout everywhere. And now I will be taking the concealer. I will be taking the concealer I always use, which is the Catrice Camouflage Cream in 10 Ivory. And this brush here. And I will take out the middle section. I know what you're thinking, it looks really messy, but bear with, okay? This color here, hopefully it shows up because it's a very interesting green shift. Try to put it as smooth as possible over this area before it dries. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna darken back the outer corner a little and the inner corner. I will quickly clean up the fallout and I will be back. Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara in 10 Noir. And I will put falsies on. I have no clue what these are. They're just some ones from Amazon. And I'll be using the Duo Strip Lash Adhesive. It looks like this. I don't think that I am the best in applying fake lashes, but I mean, I'm pretty happy with this. I think they look quite nice and they're quite even. I will try to link them below. I did buy them on Amazon, just like a random £1 or £2 maybe for this, and you get like 4 or 5 pairs of lashes. And I love these. I actually think that these are the kind of lashes I wouldn't mind wearing every day. Not that I have the time for lashes every day. So I will quickly put on foundation. For that I will be using the Revlon Color Stay Normal to Dry SPF 20 10 Ivory. This bad boy here. For powder I will be using the Soft Compact Powder von Manhattan, and we will pick it up from there. Right guys, I'm back. Okay, foundation, powder are on. Now I do feel quite a little pale, so I will quickly take the Butter Bronzer in a light bronzer, 6675. I will be using the Lottie London Shimmer Squad, looks like so, and I will be taking the color The Good Girl, which is this color up here and my favorite, as you might know. The Kat Von D Alchemist Holographic Transformer Face and Eye Highlighter in the color Aquamarine. Looks like so. and I will be taking it on my finger because oh, and I'm just putting it on in the middle. Now all we have to do pretty much is to put the lips on and set the face. So today actually I will be using the color Velvet Vamp from Revolution in the Salvation Velvet Lacquer formula. It looks like so. Now, is this the most comfortable lipstick? No. Is it affordable? Yes. Is it the color that I wanted? Yes. So, you decide. I will be layering it with the Matte Me Metallic. This is a metallic matte lip cream from Sleek Makeup. It looks like so. This is a mini one. It is in the color Volcanic. Yeah guys, this has been all for this week's video. If you have any comments, please leave them below and I will answer them. Please share, like, subscribe, ring the bell, and yeah, if you would like me to do or test anything, also let me know, and if I can, I definitely will. But yeah guys, I really hope that you're doing well, no matter when you're watching this, maybe in the morning, afternoon, evening or night. And yeah, I will almost forgot again. I will be inserting pictures so you can actually see how this looks like without me having to hold up a scarf very stupidly. This is it. I will see you in my next video. Hopefully. Bye!